The name box appears at the A. Left of the formula bar, B. Right of the formula bar, C. Below the status bar, D. Below the menu bar. Answer is A. Left of the formula bar. 2. In Excel, the intersection of a row and column is called A. Box, B. Cell, C. Grid, D. Table. Answer is B. Cell. 3. Word offers certain ways in which the user can move in a document. What are they? A. By scrolling, B. Directly to first and last page, C. By moving to a specific page, D. All A, B, and C. Answer is 4. Which of the following is used to see all the slides on one screen in Microsoft PowerPoint? A. View, slide sorter, B. View, slide, C. View, master, D. View, slideshow. Answer is A. View, slide sorter. 5. Analog computer works on the supply of A. Continuous electrical pulses, B. Magnetic strength, C. Electrical pulses but not continuous, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Electrical pulses but not continuous. 6. Which of the following can be recognized by the OCR with the help of light source? A. Size, B. Shape, C. Color, D. Used ink. Answer is B. Shape. Eight. What is the shortcut key for Find and Replace dialog box? A. Ctrl plus R, B. Ctrl plus F, C. Ctrl plus H, D. Ctrl plus Shift plus F. Answer is B. Ctrl plus F. 9. It is a mark, normally round or a square dot. It is called A. Number, B. Bullet, C. Indentation, D. Both B and C. Answer B. Bullet. 10. Who invented the high-level language C? A. Dennis M. Ritchie, B. Niklaus Ritt, C. Seymour Papert, D. Donald Knuth. Answer is Dennis M. Ritchie. 11. PowerPoint is a component of A. Windows 7, B. Microsoft Office, C. All of the above. Answer is B. Microsoft Office. 12. Who designed the first electronic computer ENIAC? A. Van Neumann, B. J. Prosper Eckert and John Womersley, C. Joseph M. Jacquard, D. None of these. Answer is C. Joseph M. Jacquard. 13. WAN stands for A. WAP Area Network, B. Wide Area Network, C. Wide Areas Network, D. Wireless Area Network. Answer is B. Wide Area Network. 13. Which menu is used open, close and save PowerPoint presentation? A. Tool, B. Window, C. File, D. Both A and B. Answer is C. File. 14. Click at the beginning, press which key and simultaneously click at the end of any portion of a text to select the same in MS Word? A. Shift, B. Control, C. Alt, D. Any of the above. Answer is A. Shift. 15. An Excel worksheet can have a maximum of _____ number if columns. A. 256, B. 255, C. 16,384, D. 258. Answer is C. 16,384. 16. On an Excel sheet, the active cell is indicated by A. A dotted border, B. A blinking border, C. A dark white border, D. By italic text. Answer is C. A dark white border. 17. The man who built the first mechanical calculation was A. Joseph Marie Jacquard, B. Blaise Pascal, C. John Mauchly, D. Hertward Aniken. Answer is B. Blaise Pascal. 18. Which of the following is not language for computer programming? A. Windows, B. Pascal, C. Basic, D. COBOL. Answer is A. Windows. 19. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? A. Down cursor key, B. Enter key, C. Shift plus Enter, D. Control